Hey guys, Phuket is seriously so pretty. Every single corner looks unreal. And this is how our island hopping day started. We have covered the Phi Phi Island and James Bond Island in this video, and we will take you through all the details. So let's get started. So they picked us up from a hotel in the van and took us to the pier. He was still asleep but very excited. So we paid 1400 baht per person for this full day tour. So we had done a booking from the Mandara Phuket for 1400 baht in the old Phuket town, and in Patong Beach and those areas the prices are a little more expensive, but you can definitely bargain and get it at this price. After reaching at the pier, we quickly grabbed some breakfast, followed by a briefing session from the instructor about how the entire day looks like and which all islands we'll be covering in this tour. So at 9 a.m., we left the pier and headed towards the Phi Phi Island. It was a long ride, but honestly, totally worth it because of the views. It was so pretty. So our first stop was Maya Bay. As you can see, the crowd is insane. It's so crowded, and this is the shore. It looks beautiful. So from the shore till the beach, there is a 10 to 15 minutes walk. Right, so you can see there's so much crowd on both the sides, and you have to walk towards the beach, and you sort of get 15 to 20 minutes here if you go with this tour, right? So you can basically take pictures, enjoy the view. There are also some restaurants where you can grab a quick bite here, and then you're back. Next up was the Pile Lagoon, which was easily one of my favorite spots. The scenic view was so good, you could jump right off the boat and swim. Even if you don't know swimming, they do give you life jackets, so you can give it a shot. This part was so much fun. On the way, we passed by the Viking Cave, which is also called as the Bird's Nest Cave. We did not stop here, but if you want, you can ask the instructor to stop if you want to click some pictures over here. It's just how it looks like. It's just a cave. If you want, you can take pictures. It's cool to see. After that, we had snorkeling in our package, but we randomly decided to upgrade from snorkeling to scuba diving. So it costed us around 2000 baht per person for scuba diving. So we were two of us, so that's 4000 baht plus an extra 1200 baht if you want underwater pictures and videos. So here's a summary. It also depends on how many people are there in a group and so on. So they took care of everything, and the experience was insane. It was so good. We saw Nemo and Dory. After this wonderful experience, we had a quick lunch on the same beach. Nothing fancy, but after swimming and diving all day, it just hits different. Post this, we went to the Monkey Beach, and I'll be honest, it was pretty average, super crowded, and there was only a couple of monkeys. So if you're not interested, you can easily stay back on the beach and skip this part. Post this, we headed on our last stop, which was the Kainai Island, which was also known as the Cat Island. So there were so many cats over here, and we had almost one entire hour to just come here and chill. So you could do some jet skiing or just play with the cats, grab a drink, and enjoy yourself. And that would be the end of our Phi Phi Island tour. Now for day 2, it is James Bond Island. So the name is called as James Bond Island because the 007 shooting was done on this island and became really famous after that. So it was named as James Bond Island. So again, we reached the pier, grabbed a quick breakfast, and had another short briefing about what all we'll be covering on the entire day. and straight up from the pier we went for canoeing. This honestly was the best part of this tour. It was so much fun. And lastly, this is the James Bond Island. So after reaching the shore, you literally have to walk a little bit on top. It's a very small island. Nothing, I would say, nothing too great about it. Post that, we stopped for a lunch break in this new fern restaurant, and the food here was really good. Like, the food in James Bond Island tour was much better than the Phi Phi Island one. They had a huge spread of non-veg as well as veg variations, and you had all the Thai delicacies here, like your papaya salad, fried chicken, pad Thai, and veg and non-veg both, fried rice and all of this. The food was really good. And that is pretty much how our island hopping days in Phuket went. It was long, tiring, but 100% worth it. So, if you are planning a Phuket trip next, definitely save this video and follow us and subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Bye bye.